Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be writing a function to find the force of gravitation between any two objects in the universe. So let's go ahead and pull up REPL, which is essentially an online coding platform. You can click on this one. And this essentially opens up to this. And over here I've already written the code, so let's get right into it. So, as it is shown in this line, the syntax is essentially defining whatever we will be performing. And you can give the function any name, but it helps if it's as relevant as possible. And within these brackets would essentially be the parameters needed to work the function itself so it can execute it. And lastly, this line ends with a colon to define the end of a function in Python. In this line, we're essentially defining G as in the gravitational constant, which is this. And over here, we're essentially defining the variable called f. And remember, it is not the same function name in this line. And the user will provide whatever is received from essentially the equation of the force of gravity, which is this. And this line is essentially a comment, and this comment is more so for people reading the function and working on it rather than the interpreter, which is the computer. And this line, we are essentially indicating to the user to print out the gravitational force. And here we are indicating to the computer to output the calculation onto the screen when we try it out, which will be over here. So let's go ahead and run this function. And it works when you see this orange arrow come up. So let's go ahead and write the function. And it's particular on being exact, so try to be as close as possible. So let's go ahead and write our numbers. So try to write in the same order. So because again on being exact. So our first mass is 200, 300, and then the radius could be 500. Perfect, so that worked. Thank you so much for listening.